Still at 11. There's got it going on over here at 11. That bunch is on his back. Oh, see the belly there.
Uh-huh.
Going on there. Oh, little guy, he's getting excited. There's definitely a pecking order out here. You got alpha males and alpha females, so they will fight and bite. They will challenge each other for status. So it can get pretty aggressive sometimes. Man, right by here, 3. Like I say, it can get pretty aggressive with these guys. They will go at it sometimes. Hey, buddy. Coming up to 7 right here. We're just surrounded right now.
We are.
Trust me, it's not like this every day.
Yeah.
You know,
It is pretty awesome. Look, it's
they're
amazing.
breathing there. Right by you there. 9 o'clock.
Turtle.
Saw a turtle?
Who said a turtle?
Oh.
Right there.
Now,